dependable rides. For less top reliable cars under 5K stuck in a used car rut, tired of choosing between a reliable but yawn-inducing ride or a fun one that sounds like it's performing a heavy metal concert in its engine bay? Fear not, fellow budget-conscious car enthusiasts. We're here to unlock the secret to affordable and dependable vehicles that won't leave you feeling like you just swallowed a lemon. Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're breaking down the ultimate dilemma for car enthusiasts on a budget. Finding a car that's both fun and dependable without breaking the piggy bank. We've all been there, stuck with a choice between a reliable but snooze-worthy ride or a fun one that sounds like it's about to fall apart. But fear not, gearheads. We're diving deep into the world of top reliable cars under $5,000 that will have you cruising in comfort and style without emptying your wallet. So, buckle up and get ready to discover your dream car on a budget. Toyota Corolla, the undisputed king of reliability and sensible choices. The Toyota Corolla isn't just the world's best-selling car for no reason. This trusty champ isn't just about legendary reliability. Seriously, these things can run forever with proper care. It also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, making it easy on your wallet at the pump, especially with gas prices these days. Plus, the Corolla offers surprisingly spacious rear seats, making it a comfortable choice for carpooling with friends or family. Let's not forget another perk of owning a Toyota: their incredible ability to hold their value. Unlike some cars that depreciate faster than your New Year's resolutions, the Corolla will still hold a decent chunk of its worth when you're ready to upgrade. So, you can cruise with confidence knowing you're not throwing money down the drain, even if you decide to trade it in a few years down the line. Honda Civic, unleash your inner racer without breaking the bank. Looking for a car that actually puts the fun in functional? Look no further than the Honda Civic. This zippy number is a favorite among driving enthusiasts for a reason. It delivers an engaging and dynamic driving experience that will have you rediscovering the joy of cruising down the open road. But don't worry, it won't leave you stranded at the gas station. The Civic also boasts remarkable fuel efficiency, allowing you to enjoy the ride without breaking the bank. And for those who crave a touch more excitement, the sporty Psy variant might just have your name written all over it. This little hot hatch packs a bit more punch under the hood, offering a thrilling driving experience that punches way above its weight class. Honda Accord, more bang for your buck without the bulk. Think the Civic might be a tad too compact for your needs? Consider its big brother, the Honda Accord. While both share a reputation for bulletproof reliability, seriously, these things are known to last for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. The Accord offers a bit more car for your money. We're talking about more leg room, a touch more power, and according to J.D. Power, it still ranks highly in the comfort and reliability departments. That translates to a smooth and enjoyable ride, even on longer journeys. Alright folks, let's be honest, we've all been there. Stuck in a car that sounds like it's auditioning for a heavy metal band and handling like a shopping cart on ice. So tell me in the comments, what's the most interesting sound your car has ever made? Was it a symphony of squeaks, a rhythmic rattle, or maybe even a full-blown operatic aria? Let's hear your car horror stories, or maybe car-oustic masterpieces in the comments below. Then, stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of affordable, reliable, and hopefully not so noisy rides. Ready to level up your automotive experience? We've just explored some incredible options, but the journey doesn't end there. Here are some other fantastic finds in the under $5,000 realm, each offering unique value propositions. Lexus ES300. Experience luxury without breaking the bank. Think enjoying a touch of luxury is out of the question on a budget? Think again. The Lexus ES300, the sleek and sophisticated sibling of the Toyota Avalon, might surprise you. Depreciation works in your favor with this model, allowing you to snag a full-size luxury sedan for under $5,000, but it's not just about the looks. The ES300 boasts a smooth and powerful V6 engine that will leave the days of sluggish acceleration in the dust. Relax in the plush leather seats and enjoy the quiet, comfortable ride. A stark contrast to the symphony of rattles we mentioned earlier. Remember, this is still a Lexus, meaning you're essentially getting Toyota reliability wrapped in a luxurious package. Talk about the best of both worlds. Nissan Xterra. Unleash your inner adventurer, calling all outdoor enthusiasts. If your idea of a perfect weekend involves exploring uncharted territories, the rugged and reliable Nissan Xterra is your perfect match. Forget choosing between a capable off-roader and a reliable daily driver. The Xterra conquers both worlds with ease. This affordable adventurer boasts impressive off-road capabilities thanks to its high ground clearance and four-wheel drive system. But don't be fooled by its rugged exterior. The Xterra also handles surprisingly well on paved roads, offering a comfortable ride for everyday driving. Pro tip: while the Xterra can handle some off-road fun, remember its limitations. Avoid attempting extreme maneuvers without proper modifications to ensure your safety, and avoid damaging the vehicle. Toyota RAV4, the versatile crossover champion. If you need a vehicle that seamlessly transitions from city streets to weekend adventures, the ever-popular Toyota RAV4 is a compelling choice. Think of it as a lifted Corolla wagon with all-wheel drive. It offers a comfortable and fuel-efficient ride for your daily commute, while also providing the capability to tackle light off-road trails and snowy roads with confidence. The RAV4 is a reliable and versatile option, making it a popular choice for families and active individuals alike. Don't forget to consider its close competitor, the Honda CR-V, which also offers similar features and capabilities in this price range. Bonus round: honorable mentions. While we can't cover every gem, it's worth mentioning some other budget-friendly and reliable options. Hyundai Elantra, 2006 to 2009. This compact car offers good fuel economy and a spacious interior, making it a practical choice for city driving. Ford Focus. This sporty hatchback is known for its engaging driving experience and efficient engines. Toyota Camry, 5th gen. This classic sedan is synonymous with reliability and offers a comfortable and spacious ride. Mazda Miata, the affordable thrill machine. We can't talk about budget-friendly cars without mentioning the iconic Mazda Miata. This two-seater convertible might not be the most practical choice for everyone, but it delivers an unmatched driving experience for the price. The Miata is known for its nimble handling, responsive engine, and incredible reliability. It's also surprisingly fuel efficient, making it a fun and affordable option for those seeking a top-down driving experience. With average maintenance costs well below the national average and readily available models under $5,000, the Miata is a convertible dream within reach for many enthusiasts. Alright gearheads, that's it for our dive into the world of affordable and awesome rides under $5,000. We hope this helped you navigate the used car jungle and avoid ending up with a vehicle that sounds more like a haunted house than a reliable companion. Remember, finding the perfect car is all about balance. You don't have to settle for a snooze fest, but you also don't want to break the bank on constant repairs. Think you found your dream budget ride? Share your pick and any car buying tips in the comments below. And if you're looking for more car content, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Car Computer Exchange is your one-stop shop for all things automotive, from budget-friendly finds to tech upgrades and car buying guides. So stick around and let's keep the automotive conversation rolling.